Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Wednesday, November 20th, and today I have a whole bunch of things to share with you. They are not all connected, but they are all super fun. So the first one is this felt play panel, and it is part of a two-piece thing I'm going to be sharing with you. It's called It Takes a Village Panels, and it conveys the idea that an entire community of people must work together to positively influence children. The fabric collection was designed to uplift some of the amazing people that make up the communities we share, including medical professionals, firefighters, and police officers. So with this felt panel, you make little flat sew dolls. And then if you look closely here, the trucks create these little zipper pouches that you can put all of the little things inside. And then to go along with the felt panel, we have this playmat panel. I don't know if it has an up or down. I guess it does. Let's flip it so that you can take your trucks full of people and supplies and Dalmatians and whatevers and play with them on the playmat. So you could easily just quilt this up and have it ready to go and then make up your little felt people and trucks and have a great holiday gift for a little one who wants to do some things with their village. So next up we have, sorry, this is a crazy video, you guys. This is called Live Out Loud Kit by Seth Apter. Let's see if I can hold it. Let's see, we're gonna hold it this way. Woo! So this is fabric that we've already had in the store called Live Out Loud by Seth Apter. It's his second collection with Free Spirit. It's all about celebrating your authentic self unabashedly and without reservation. We've created a kit using this vivid collection using the Hyde Park pattern by Cotton Street Commons. The kit includes the pattern and over 4 yards of fabric for the quilt top, and the finished size is 60 by 72. And now I've had my arm workout for the day. Next up, if you'll come on in, we have Take Heart. So this is also a really, really cute little collection. So we're thinking about Valentine's. We're thinking ahead a little bit. Take Heart is the third in a series of vintage Valentine collections by Janet Wecker-Frisch. Friends and colleagues have provided a wealth of inspiration from their family's treasured keepsakes. Take Heart is inspired by a collection of Valentines from the 1920s and 30s. And this is by Riley Blake Designs. And we do have a couple of bolts that go with this as well. Really, really fun, memorable kinds of things. I remember trading Valentines in elementary school and completely working into the wordings, much more feeling and emotion than was probably there in most cases. And then finally, we have, this is the 50th contest, 50 years of Moda. So this is a 50th anniversary dessert roll. Moda has created a rainbow collection that includes 11 4-in-1 width of fabric strips featuring designs from 44 Moda designers. The commemorative collection covers it all with designs ranging from traditional to modern and everything in between. So this is a dessert roll, which means that it's 5 inches wide, and every strip from selvage to selvage has 4 different patterns on it. So for example, this strip has the one pattern on one side, one pattern on another side, and then if I could fold it back, you'd see 2 other patterns. So every strip has 4 different patterns on it from 4 different designers. And the goal here with this, if you purchase one of these, they have a contest running where the deadline is March 1st, and they have 3 categories: a piece quilt, an art quilt, and a next generation quilter. The next generation quilter is 17 or younger. And at least 75% of your quilt top has to be made with this. And the first place prize, you guys, is $2,500. So, and then second place is $1,000, and third place is 1 Moda Fat Quarter Bundle a month for a year. So if you'd like more information about this, I will be sure to put all this information in the link of the description in today's video. We do have limited quantities of these, so if you're interested in getting on board for Moda's 50th year celebration, 50th year anniversary, you're going to want to grab one of these right away. Hopefully I entertained you with all of our mishmash of stuff today, and you found something to inspire you to create, and we will see you back here from the shop tomorrow. Bye.